What is going on, YouTube? Check it out, guys. So that last CRV we just did our video on, we brought it here Wednesday, fixed it that same day, got it detailed I think Friday, and I put it for sale on the lot Saturday, and it was sold by Monday. So that thing was a good, easy, quick flip, guys. And you know, the CRV thing, I'm addicted to them, so I watched the auction on Monday, and here we are, guys. Another CRV. So I'm just gonna call it an addiction, guys. I know I love these things. They make me money, so why not, right? But here's our next project. This one has a little bit more mileage. I usually don't buy them with high mileage, but it was the only one running through the auction, and I figured I'd buy it. So, and it actually went pretty cheap. I ended up scoring this one, guys, for $900. So this is our first look. So it's a black one. That's the only reason I kind of bought it, because the black ones tend to sell quicker than the silver and the brown ones. And it's actually in pretty decent condition. It does need a good detail. It looks like it was sitting in a swamp or something. I don't know. It's got some kind of a mold growing on the headliner up there. It has an aftermarket DVD player, so that's a plus, guys. But aftermarket radio, and like I said, it does have 240,000 miles. I think this door doesn't open, so I haven't tried that one yet, but the body's pretty straight. It's got one little ding there. Other than that, guys, man, she's another good project. Well, it's got another little ding here, but she's got good tires on her, and she just looks to be dirty. But obviously at the time, for 900 bucks, it does not start again. So let's go ahead and get to it, guys. You guys know the drill. Let's diagnose this thing, see what we need. So I haven't tried anything at all on this one, so let's get going. Okay, guys, so obviously the battery is dead on this thing. We're gonna go ahead and put the jump box on it, and let's hop in there and crank it, guys. See what it's gonna do. So this is our first attempt at doing anything with this rig here. Let's get in here and see what she does. And we got no power at all. So let me go check my jump box, guys, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we got a 12 volts on our jump box here, guys, and we're still not getting no power to the ignition switch out there. All right, guys, so I ended up trying to crank this thing again, and it doesn't have no power at all going to the dash. So usually what that means is that this main fuse here is blown. So easy way to test it is just see if you get power on one side right there, and no power on the other side. So that main fuse is definitely blown. We're getting power from our battery to the fuse box. We're just not getting anything from the fuse box to our car. So easy way I do with this thing here is, yeah, you take off the lid. You can see there, guys, it's blown. Guys, there. So you can see there's a little crack there. If we can get this thing to focus, see there's no connection between that. And all I do is I fold this thing over so that they're touching. Something like this. Fold them over just like that, and I can hear the car getting power. So now we're making contact. We're gonna go ahead and try and crank this thing, guys. Okay, guys, so with that main fuse now just jimmy rigged for right now, we're gonna obviously have to replace it later, but let's give this thing a shot. Yeah, we got power. Holy smoke, guys, she fired right up. Man, if all it is a $5 fuse, guys, I got lucky on this. So let's go ahead and drive it off the trailer, guys. So that CRV ended up running perfect, guys. I mean, I drove it around the block, brakes worked great, no check engine lights, no shaking, no misfire. Drove it on the highway as well, and man, that thing drove perfect, guys. I mean, that thing had no problems whatsoever. So I ended up going to the junkyard. I picked up that fuse. It was only $5. They charged me like a relay because it is a bigger fuse for those main fuses on the Hondas. But right after that, I called my man Sele 509. He was available. He went, picked it up, and he got it detailed over the weekend, guys. So I'll try and shoot some pictures up in here. but that thing came out clean. So I took the pictures, put it for sale, and literally by that Monday the thing was sold. So yeah guys, I mean, sometimes it's as simple as a little fuse that's blown. Cost me $5 to fix that thing, $100 to get it detailed, you know, and we're out the door. So remember guys, stay up, hustle hard.